Okay, this is me solving a Rubik's Cube, and our videographer of the day is Anna Ryder. Bear with me here. Anna mixed it up, so you can rest assured that it was not done. Oh wait, I gotta mess it up a little bit more. I think she was solving it. Mixing it. Okay, back up, Anna. Okay, gotta get this area. Okay. Alright. That's green. Green and green.
I'm gonna get a little bit closer.
No, don't go right on the cube, because then you can't see. Like that. Put the orange in. I'll put the blue in. Red. Leave one open. Flip it. Do the yellow. Let's see. Okay, those two are right and these two are wrong. So now they're all correct.
Sorry for that interruption by accident when I blurred by accident.
Alright, put this yellow and blue one in. Like that. Oh, I put it in backwards. Let's just hope I don't run out of charge while I'm solving this. Alright, let's put this one in.
Wow.
Where's the blue one at? Oh, here.
Over there.
Blue.
So I can
Now it's in right.
fix the right.
Here's a yellow and orange one. I'll put that one in.
There's an H pattern there.
And here's the yellow and red one. I'm going to put that one in.
Sorry for some mix-ups.
Now I got to put the white one in. And then go around the corners.
Mommy, for my birthday, I want one of these.
That one's right and that one's right. So let's switch them.
Sorry for the TV.
Just Kung Fu Panda. Okay, two more. Watch, I'm going to do it with my eyes shut. Back up, Anna, so you can get my eyes. You ready? Here I go. Okay. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. That was me solving a Rubik's Cube. Take one. Bye.
That was me.
And Anna.
I'm the filmer.